Hi children, how are you? Today we are going to discuss block 7 2D shapes. Then shapes. What do you mean by shapes? You know that from your surroundings different types of shapes are there. Do you have notebook? I have textbook. Okay, I just take my textbook. What is this shape? Can you identify this shape? How this? Yeah, the slag one shape. What is the name of this shape? Anyone knows? You know that. What is that? Yeah, it's rectangle shape. Rectangle shape. Then here one clock is there. Can you identify the shape of that clock? Yeah. This is also rectangle. Yeah, it's also. But same. Yes, look. Both are same? No. So, you know that name. What is that name? Yeah, this is square. What is this? Square. You know what is the similarity? Both some similar features here. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you just look 1, 2, 3. This is corner. And here also 4 corners. Then any difference you feel? Any difference? No difference. You just look here, this picture. Any difference? Yeah, you just look there. These 4 sides are equal. These 4 sides are equal? No. So that is the difference between rectangle and square. This is the difference of rectangle and square. Then another shape is there. What is that? You have bangles. Yeah, girls wearing bangles. Your sisters also. Bangles are there. What is the shape of bangles? Can I draw here? What is this? What is the name of this? Round shape. Yeah, it's a round shape. In round shape we say that it's circle. Say circle. Then one more figure also there. What is the name of this figure? Yeah, this is a triangle. Triangle. Tri means three. Three angles. So, angles you all in your higher class you are studying. Triangles means 3 angles are there. So, here 3 sides are there, that is triangle. 4 sides rectangle and square and circle. Okay. Then we can do some problems from your textbook. Your content book. Take your content book. Okay, from your content book. Alright, take your content book. Okay, take your content book. You just look here. First question. Look at the shapes. Tick the squares. From this shapes, you want to find squares. What is the shape of squares? All sides are equal and 4-sided figure and all sides are equal. Okay. Then here how many squares you find out? How many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares I have found out. You find out 5. That is rectangle. You just look here. Okay, next. Look at the picture. Ravi had to color all the circles brown. So, some circles are here. He colored all the circles are brown. Did he color correctly? He color all circles brown color or not? You want to find out. Then if not, cross out the circle that he colored incorrectly. That means here some, just look this picture. In this picture, he's colored some different colors are there. Some of the circle he colored brown color, some of them not color. Not brown color, another color circle. That circle not color brown, that circle you want to cross out. Okay. Then draw an image with 7 circle. Okay, I show an image with 4 circle. 1 circle, 2 circle and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 circle. Okay. Here I use only 4 circle. You can use any shapes, but we needed 7 circle here. Are you ready to draw? Okay, you draw. That figure you want to draw in your notebook, not in the textbook. Remaining first 2 questions you want to mark in your textbook. Okay. Then lesson 2, features of 2D shapes. Okay. Before discussing the problems, we are doing some notes. You want to write these notes. Shapes. Name of the shape. Then we needed sides, corner and diagonals. Number of sides, number of corners and diagonals. Number of sides, number of corner and number of diagonals. Okay, I will draw here shapes. What is this shape? Yeah, it's rectangle. It's a rectangle. In rectangle, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are there. How many corners? This is corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many diagonals we can write? Diagonal means we can connect opposite corners. That means this is a corner, opposite corner. When we are connecting these 2 corners, this is diagonal. Here 1, 2. Any others? So 2 diagonals. Then square. You find out squares, number of sides, corner, everything. Yeah, 4 sides, 4 corner, and how many diagonals are there? 2. Then triangle. In triangle, how many sides are there? 3 sides and 3 corners. You can draw diagonal? No. Then circle. Sorry, you want to draw here circle. The name circle. Any sides is here? No. Any corner? No. So there is no circle. Sorry, no sides. No corner. Then there is no corner means there is no diagonals. Okay, please write in your notebook. This you want to write in your notebook. This is very important. You want to draw this in your notebook and mark important. It's very important. Okay, all are ready? Then next we can do some problems from your content book. Okay, take your content book. Draw a rectangle in 4 different ways. Draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle in 4 different ways. Different ways. So this is one rectangle shape and another. Then how? Okay, it's a rectangle. Clear? The next question, fill in the blanks. Please write the question in your notebook. First, okay, dear children, please write this question. A square has dash sides, dash corners and dash diagonals. In how many sides in a square? That you already knows that. Yeah, 4 sides. Then how many corners? That also 4. Then how many diagonals? Yeah, 2 diagonals. So you write here 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. Next, a circle has dash sides, dash corners and dash diagonals. How many sides in a circle? When you start there? Yeah, there is no sides. There is no sides means there is no corners. If there is no corner means it's no diagonals. Okay. Next, a rectangle has dash sides and dash corners. A rectangle has how much sides? 5 or 4? Yeah, it's 4 sides. Then how many corners? That also 4. A triangle has dash sides and dash corners. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay, just write these answers in your notebook. Okay, next question. Draw a shape that has 4 sides and 4 corners but is not a square or a rectangle. You want to draw a shape with 4 sides and 4 corners, but it's not a rectangle or square. So how do you write? I just say in this rectangle, it's a rectangle, but I just shaped this changed. Just small change needed. I'll just draw here. So also four sides, four corners. It's a rectangle? No. Okay, this is parallelogram. The shape of this, the name of this shape is parallelogram, not a rectangle and square. It's clear? I hope all are clear this. Do all problems and send to me. Have a nice day. Thank you.